We're looking here now at a very beautiful and quite scarce, large, mid-17th century engraved prospect bird's eye view of the Dutch city of Vlissingen. It was produced in Amsterdam by Rombout van den Hoeye. There's a key at the lower right which identifies 20 prominent and important buildings within the walls, as we see. Like many large folding views of this era, this one has been repaired numerous times here in the past, and it's actually rather fascinating when you look at the repairs someone did long ago, because here I notice in reverse there is the imprint of DeWitt on one of these sheets of paper they've used to mend the back of this. And also what's very interesting is attached to the back of this is this Guicciardini city plan bird's eye view, and we'll reference it in this monumental and necessary scholarly reference book on these types of Guicciardini views. And we see here that this view is in fact this one, and there are two states of it. The second state here has down at the right lower number 62, which is what we see on our example, and so it lists the editions by Blau and Jonsonius from 1612 through 1648. Because it's attached to the back, we can't determine the exact source, but we do know that it's copper engraved in that time frame. And so when we turn this back over, we'll notice that there's some wrinkling here. There is a tiny little bit of loss here, a tiny little hole here. It's been trimmed at some point, but it is a very rare view, and it's probably around 1640 to 50 or so. It does not appear once in the antique map price record, which is a cumulative record of similar type maps and views which have appeared over a approximately 30-year span or so. And this is now currently available online from me, Brian DiMambro.